Okay, today I want to just show you, I'm going to do a 4-part series on planning a religious event. This is like party theme, and I'm going to show you in each video how to create the invitation, the centerpiece, a napkin display, and your party favor. So the videos will be posted below, and it'll show you how to make each of these decorations for a party. Also, if you like them, I do encourage you, even if you don't have a party to plan, to look at the videos, because it may give you some ideas of how to do a cute napkin ring for maybe Easter, or a cute little dove to give for a Christmas gift for a Christmas tree. So you can definitely use the crafts in other ways, but I thought this made a really nice theme for a religious event. I did it for my children's confirmation, but you could also do it for a wedding or a baptismal or first communion. So I hope you enjoy the videos. And if this is your first time watching, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like the videos, please give us a thumbs up. It lets me know what you like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.